You have the right to refuse unsafe work. That's right, you. If you're not trained to perform a task, if the proper equipment isn't available, or you think you or someone else is going to get hurt, stop and say, no. Just like you have the right to say no if someone asked you to leave the house in your bathing suit and flip-flops in the middle of winter to make a snowman. You probably say, not interested, right? Or, if I asked you to go on a tightrope with ravenous sharks swimming underneath, you'd probably say, that sounds like a really bad idea considering I have never walked a tightrope and there's no safety net preventing me from being eaten by the sharks. Any reasonable person would say, fair enough, that doesn't sound particularly safe, and I don't want you to get hurt. But, how do you know if it's unsafe when you're at work? What if you're nervous because it's something new? Well, it's unsafe if you're not properly trained. If you're asked to clean a deep fryer with boiling oil, you probably need to know what you're doing. That requires orientation and training. It's unsafe if you don't have the right equipment. If you're working with machinery and need safety goggles but they're broken, you're not going to be safe. Or if you're trying to grab something off the top shelf and your ladder is wobbly, that's just plain unsafe. And finally, it's unsafe if someone will likely get hurt and it's completely preventable, but you're asked to do it anyway. That person asking you might be your boss, who you're afraid might get angry with you if you say no, who will maybe even fire you. Believe it or not, you still have the right to refuse unsafe work. No one is angry when you're healthy and happy and walking down the street with a skip in your step, so the people who really care about you, they'll respect you for refusing unsafe work. Refusing unsafe work is in your rights. It protects you, your friends, and your job. Be safe by refusing to be unsafe.